Hey there, we're going to go over how to use the Adobe's XD tool so that you can preview your site's design. So when you receive a email with your site design link, that link will be unique to your page's design, and so your design that you are sent will probably initially have just one page on it, and then as designs are accepted and built, we'll be adding other pages to the design. So the link will remain the same even if we add more design pages, and there will just be a navigation area that shows up, as you can see here at the bottom of the screen, highlighting that there is more than one page to review. When you first get your link, notice that on the right hand side there is a comments pane. It's very easy to use the comments pane. You can simply write a comment and then drag the pen over to where you want that comment to refer to, and then hit submit. And I will receive an email every time you make a comment, and then I can reply back to this comment on the comment, or I can comment back via email. I'm more likely to comment back to you via email, but occasionally I will reply to a comment. Comments usually will include site design elements and not the elements themselves. For example, in my comment I'm saying, let's make this text a little bit smaller right here. What I'm not writing is, hey, let's change this text to. Although you could theoretically do that, you will be sent a request for copy after the design has been accepted, and that is where you will submit to us the copy or the text and images that you would actually like to use. In order for you to be able to review your site design more to scale, you can do a few things to make that more visible. If you look over here on the right hand far sidebar, there is a little comments icon, and I'm going to click it to expand it. And then there's a drop down here that allows me to select 100%. And there is an expansion that allows me to go full screen. And once I do that, I'm just going to scroll my wheel all the way to the top so I can get to the very top of the design. And then you can just scroll down through it, and then you will be looking at your design in full scale. Note that some browsers will show it just a little bit larger. For example, this full scale one is really more like 105%. Things are just a little bit smaller for real on my website, so just FYI. So I'm looking here on the first page. When I get done looking at this in full screen, I can hit my escape button on my keyboard to go back. From here, I want to look at the second page of my design, so I can go over to the arrows and navigate to page 2. Another way that you can navigate is to look at the grid at the top, and you can see there are 2 pages to review here, and clicking either one will bring you to the site pages. I find it a little bit easier to navigate back and forth between the arrows at the bottom, but please feel free to navigate whichever way is easiest for you. Once you get done with your site review, just drop me an email to let me know that your review is done, and then we will make any needed changes and go on through the iterative process until the site design has been accepted. And once it's been accepted, we will then begin to develop it. If you have any questions about reviewing your site design, please don't hesitate to drop me a note at Cindy, C-I-N-D-Y, at moretechsolutions.com. Thank you.